Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the new C-series mobile launched by Nokia. That mobile is Nokia C12. Nokia has now introduced this smartphone in the European market. It will succeed the C10, which will debut in 2021. In this video, we will explore the specifications and price of C12 Mobile. If you are new to our channel before going to video vid, then please subscribe the channel, then you can watch interesting videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. The Nokia C12 is a budget-friendly smartphone that boasts a sleek and modern design. The device has a polycarbonate body with a glossy finish and a slim profile, making it easy to handle and carry around. Okay, let's talk about display. The display on the C10 is a 6.3-inch IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 720 x 1440 pixels. The display is bright and clear, making it easy to view content in different lighting conditions. The C12 runs on the Android 12 operating system and is powered by a UniSoC SC986301 chipset. This budget-friendly chipset is capable of running basic apps and games smoothly. The device comes with 2 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 128 GB with a microSD card. This memory configuration is good enough for basic usage, but may be limiting for heavy users. The camera on the C12 is a single camera setup consisting of a 8-megapixel primary sensor and front camera is 5-megapixel. The camera takes decent photos, but is not suitable for professional photography. Next, talk about mobile battery. The C12 has a 3000 mAh battery, which is adequate for basic usage. However, heavy users may need to charge the device more frequently. The Nokia C12 is priced at around $128, making it an affordable option for those on a tight budget. Overall, the C12 is a good option for basic smartphone users who are looking for a budget-friendly device with a sleek design. Share your thoughts about this mobile in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in another new video. Until then, thank you, bye-bye.